how to buy a domain name with Squarespace. In this video, we're going to walk you through step by step on how you can register a domain on Squarespace. So first we want to go to the squarespace.com website. You're going to need a Squarespace account in order to actually get started. But once you have an account, you want to go to the home page, then click on your avatar at the top right, and then click on where it says Account Dashboard. From here, we want to go to the top left where it says Domains, and then we want to click on where it says Get a Domain. This will take us to Squarespace Domains, in which case we can go ahead and look for a domain to register. So first you want to enter in the domain name that you want to register, then go ahead and click the arrow. Next, it'll show you all the available domains that you can register with that name. I'm going to choose this one right here by clicking on it, and then I'm going to click on where it says Checkout. From here, we can see the registration term. The term length by default is 1 year. You can choose to register it for more if you would like. I'm just going to select 1 year and click on where it says Save and Continue. Then it's going to ask you to enter in your registration information. Then it's going to ask you for your billing address. Next, you're going to need to enter in your credit or debit card information. After you have done that, you can go ahead and review the order. So we can see that we're ordering this one domain for $14. If we go ahead and click on where it says Confirm Payment, it'll tell us that our registration is processing and that we'll get an email notification when the registration is complete.